All right, part 2, graspers in surgery. So we talked a little bit about traumatic and atraumatic. So the first thing we've got here is an atraumatic grasper. Of course, you're going to have to say laparoscopic. So if you look at this, this is how it opens and closes. You can lock them. But if I open this up, because the true sign is going to help you figure out what these are is if you look inside them. So I'm going to kind of go down here so you can see the serrations of it a little bit. It's not real clear, it doesn't want to focus. That is your atraumatic grasper, and here's where you can hook onto it if you need to. The next thing you're going to have is what we call a prestige. Okay, so a prestige, if you look at the prestige, and these also can lock. See those teeth on the prestige? They're very, I don't want to say sharp, but you definitely can tell what they are. That's your prestige. Different than the soft bow grasper. The soft bow grasper is right here. So if you look at the serrations on this one, and it also has that opening right there. Okay. Soft bow graspers number 27. 28 is going to be your laparoscopic Babcock. Now, let it be noted, this is what your Babcock looks like, that you are going to have to say on these instruments laparoscopic, because we have a Babcock that's not laparoscopic. And you could have a test at some point in time that has both of them. So you want to say laparoscopic Babcock. Micro scissors, get into the habit. Laparoscopic micro scissors. They're scissors, they're just tiny, so we can go in there and mostly use it to cut suture and things like that. And then you've got the Maryland. The Maryland's kind of like your little pickup. There's your Maryland. Looks like the microscopic scissor, except it doesn't cut. And then the last thing you have are needle drivers. Now, these are laparoscopic endoscopic needle drivers. I have not seen these used a lot, but I have seen these used a lot. But you just need to be familiar because you might be at different facilities that use different things. I hope this helps.